My youngest daughter Birdie has wanted her own sewing kit for quite some time, so I decided to make her the ultimate beginner sewing kit. This was incredibly easy to put together and just took a little bit of thought at the sewing store. So I thought I'd share with you what I included in case you'd like to make your own ultimate beginner sewing kit for yourself or someone you love. The first thing I did was to find a cute sewing basket. This one from Gutermann was an easy choice. I love how this basket has a top tray with compartments above the main lower compartment. That will hopefully keep everything nice and tidy. First, I included some pretty pins and arranged a few with an easy reach on the inside of the lid. Next up is probably the most important tool for someone learning to sew, a seam ripper. Of course, you'll need some chalk pencils for marking fabric. And as she sometimes struggles threading needles, these are some easy needle threaders. A few safety pins are always a handy item to have, as well as a tape measure. Next, I included some empty bobbins so that she can wind them as needed. In the bottom of the basket, I'm including the pincushion jar I made for her. If you'd like to make one, I'll link to the tutorial below for you. I'm putting some assorted needles in the storage jar to keep them safe and avoid floating needles, which is a real fear of mine. I found some lovely pink fabric shears to fit the pink theme, and of course I had to add the matching thread snips, which are one of my favorite tools to have next to me while sewing. I also included matching embroidery scissors, as she loves to do embroidery as well, and also because I find them quite useful when I'm picking. And last of all, I decided to add a handful of threads in fun colours. I love how this kit turned out, and it was so much fun to put together for her. I hope she enjoys using it as much as I enjoyed making it. I'll list out all the tools I purchased and included in her kit below in case you'd like to make one of your own. Happy sewing!